Hey guys, good evening.
Yes, sir. Good evening.
Okay, have a seat. For today's video, welcome to our channel. So this evening, we've got an exciting challenge and off for all. And it's all about drawing. Guys, familiar niyo naman ang drawing, no? Marag kabisado man ninyo?
Yes, sir. Lahat naman ng bagay natutunan. Tama.
That's good. Okay, kumbaga lahat ng bagay ay pwede namang pag-aralan. So tama naman po yan. Okay guys, that's good. And make a love shout out to Miss Andrea for a customized video. Have a great evening, ma'am. Okay, so here is the deal. We've got a set of instructions and you need to follow them carefully to avoid getting punishment at the end. So, kabalo na mo sa atong instruction. Kapag dili ninyo makuha, makaangkong tag sa ka punishment. Okay? Kasi nabota?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. See if you can handle the challenge. So, grab your pins. So, na ako dire sa ka aduhat ako pentel pin o ako ihatag ninyo. So, mao na inyong gamiton para sa atong paghimong challenge for today's custom video. So, hoping a chance na makuha ninyo kay delikado gyud. Pag dili ninyo makuha ang akong instructions, magkaroon gid og gitawag nga punishment. So, which is a real punishment po. Dili ta mohatag og fake punishment, which is a real punishment sa paghimuon. So, atangin niyo guys para sa ilang challenge. So, Miss Lisen. So,
Thank you, sir.
Muna imong papel og para sa ihan ay nato nga pag-challenge challenge nga himuon pag biuna at Miss Cherry.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
So, okay na ba mo sa atong challenge karon?
Yes,
Yes,
we are
sir.
ready.
So, ready na?
Yes.
Okay. That's good. Ready na gid mo ha. So, panandam gid mo kay remember kapag hindi nyo makuha ang instruction, so you can get hard punishment which is a real punishment. Nakuha ni mo Miss Cherry?
Yes, sir.
Miss Lizelle?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the first questions.
Ano po? Siguro kaya mo.
Okay, here is the challenge, guys. First questions. Draw a square with 3 lines.
What?
So, nako. Draw a square with 3 lines.
Draw a square with...
I'll give you 5 minutes to solve this problem.
What?
Utroho nako. Draw a square with 3 lines. The challenge begin.
Done.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
Square man.
How about you, Miss Cherry?
No.
I'll give you 5 minutes. So if you done, I will check your wing. So okay na, done na. Lizelle, please come forward. Direct to Lancel. I will check your drawing. So my questions is draw a square with 3 lines. So this drawing is exactly wrong. Wrong. How about you, Miss Cherry? Remember guys, we have 5 minutes.
This is the final.
Kung dili na gid niyo ma-solve ang challenge na to, good luck for a hard punishment. This is a real punishment. Hi Cherry. Hi Miss Cherry. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Say hi to Miss Andrea.
Hi.
Hi, Miss Andrea. So, Miss Andrea, this is our model, Miss Cherry. So, na-okay na ang iyang kuan, na-okay na ang iyang kasabot ko siya okay na gid yang kami wala mo sa transition ko para English niya gatra English na okay na ang iyang aksidente. So, salamat sa Ginoo kay safe ra gid Miss Andrea. So, karon lagi mi nakapa shooting. So, edit ra ko ni English na ko. So, say hi to Miss Andrea.
Hi, Miss Andrea.
Okay. So, I will check your drawing. So, my question is draw a square with 3 lines. So, Your drawing is exactly... You have three patterns.
This.
This is wrong. Wrong. Next, we have 3 minutes and 45 seconds to solve that problem. Draw a square with 3 lines. Muna lagi meron. Tirigay sa'yo na. Pero makabalo man ay mo sa basaba so bana ka tani challenge ito.
Draw a square.
Paminaw gima draw a square with 3 lines. So ibig sabihin mag-drawing kuno kag square. Bisaya ano ginako? Mag-drawing ka og square og dunay tulo ka linya. Sabot? Draw a square sa English. Draw a square with 3 lines.
Sabot.
Sabot na siya ba?
Ayun pa na.
Sige.
Ay ko sila.
Check na ko. Okay, Miss Cherry, please forward and I will check your work. So we have 2 minutes and 45 seconds for your time. I mean, pencil pen. Draw a square with 3 lines. I think this pattern is hapit-hapit na pero naay mali.
Grabe po.
Remember, the question is draw a square with 3 lines. Maghatag ko clue niya, gamay na lay kulang. Gamay na lay kulang, this is wrong. How about you, Lizelle? Please come forward. I will check your work. So, parang ano siya, katundula bitang nga dama. So, that's wrong. Philippine pen, wrong. So, we have 1 minute and 45 seconds left. 1 minute and 45 seconds left. Habit mo man.
Give us a clue.
Okay, I'll give you a clue. So, ulitin ko ang questions. Draw a square with 3 lines. So, kung wala gid niyo makuha, base sa drawing ni Miss Cherry is hapit na. So, kung titignan natin yung drawing niya, ay meron siyang 3 square at nandyan na rin ang 3 lines. So, ang problem is, naka-outside. Hindi siya naka-inside. So, that's a clue.
Tinasabi kasi
Hala, sige na. Oh, that's wrong. Asa ang line? Matingala gamay ron. Matingala.
ang line nasa outside.
Ang imo kanay sir, pero dai gamay, hapit tingin mo nakuha. Gamay na
Ang
lang
line
ito.
nasa outside.
Oh, ang akong sabot, ang line nimo na outside siya. So ibig sabihin ipasulod dapat.
Balik ka sa
Oh, paminaw otro ha, oh. Draw a square with 3 lines. Hala, hapit tigit sir, lupit tigit sir, paning mo tigit sir. I-explain na karon, sayo na sige na gyud, matingajud mo. Man.
Ano yun?
Ayaw pakita. Ikaw siya, wala kasi.
Demon.
Surrender, bilis siya. Bisil mo na lang.
Ay, surrender ka, pass ha?
Pass.
Okay. Sorry ko.
Okay guys, good job, Miss Cherry. So, nakuha ganyan nga itong challenge do. So, nakuha ganyan ang challenge guys. So, it's all about draw a square. Aming pintil pen. Tama. Draw a square with 3 lines. So, tama. Square. And 1, 2, 3. That's correct.
Yes.
That's correct. And how about you, Miss? And how about you, Miss Lucille? Miss Lucille, I will check your work. Your drawing is wrong. Makulbaan mo na kanay challenge wrong. Sorry, you're wrong. The problem is the time is over.
Oh my.
Miss Cherry.
Yes.
Sorry, hindi wala nimo makuha ang time. So kanina naghatag example. Miss Cherry, your drawing is perfect, but the time is over. And also Lucille, your drawing is wrong and Miss Cherry is the time is over. Nakuha nimo ang pattern pero na-short sa oras. I'm sorry guys, I'll give you a hard punishment. It is a real punishment. This is a customized video and requested by Miss Andrea. Hoping a chance to reorder this video. Guys, are you ready for your hard punishment?
Because your time is over. Okay.
You can accept your fault because the challenge is I'll give you a 5 minutes but hindi nyo nasunod ang aking polisiya. So sorry guys, I'll give you a real punishment or a hard punishment this time. So next time, study hard for the perfect drawing. So I have many challenge to do this video. So this time I'll give you a hard punishment or real punishment. So just wait for a seconds.
Oh my gosh, I feel nervous. Me too, because that's a real punishment.
I'm sorry guys, this is a real spanking punishment because the time is over. I'm sorry Miss Lisel and Miss Roasty. So the time is over. Hindi nyo po nakuha ang eksaktong oras dahil po pabalik-balik kayo. So mao ni ang atong bunal para sa
Oh my God.
sa real punishment and hard punishment. Okay, stand up. Harap. Patalikod. Harap. Talikod. Sorry guys. So unahin ko si Miss Lisel. Acting Lisel, acting. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wala pa naman na nagbalik.
Miss Roasty, say hi to Miss Andrea.
Hi.
And this is Miss Lisel. So, Miss Andrea, thank you for reorder. Hoping a chance na you can reorder or you can send me a pattern for another challenge. So this is Dawn Productions. Thank you so much for watching and make a shout out mo. Thank you Miss Andrea. Thank you
Thank you, Miss Andrea.
Thank you, Miss Andrea.
Hope you order again.
Okay.